Here, like put one hand down, like, you know, you like, would you put your hand on that? And that's like your grip. So watch, put one of your hands on this and then just kind of like, you just step up and you kind of keep your hands.
Oh my gosh. If I fall, this is a long freaking fall.
You wouldn't fall all the way down. Wonder, it probably looks so steep in this camera though. Can't show your mom this video. All right, I made it to Phoenix. First thing I had to do was go to South Mountain. Actually, first thing I had to do was get my Dunkin'. You know, I gotta get this shit first. But then after that, first thing I do, South Mountain. I gotta drive up this bitch. If you're ever in Phoenix and you just want to drive up a mountain, just Google South Mountain. You can drive all the way up to the top. There's just a road. It just takes you all the way up. Yeah, this year I'm trying to go somewhere every month. Went to San Diego last month. This month, Phoenix. Next month, I think Washington. I'm trying to just be on some travel shit, so there'll be more videos to come. I hope. We'll see. See if I can fucking pull through on this. We out here. Just in the fucking middle of nowhere, Sedona. In the blistering heat. Wonder if anybody's ever been up there in that. Right? Like some like no one's been up there since like the Native Americans. You go up there and there's just like a beer can up there, I bet. Yeah, I definitely see an easy way to get up there. You probably gotta get up somewhere else, but then once you're right there, climb up that a little bit. If I was by myself, I might try it. We would walk up right here, nothing crazy, go up to the left, and then it kind of looks flat, you know, like, and you're up on that little ledge right there. Wanna try it?
Just to get up there?
Yeah, and then we'll be up there, like, we're up on, it's flat up there, you know? And then you're kind of got like a better view. Wanna try it? If it's crazy, if it's like, if we can't do it, we can't do it. But I just have to walk up something like this and then just watch out for like loose stone, you know? Cause that's what's slippery. Like the rock's not slippery, but like this gravel and stuff definitely is. You tired yet?
I was tired 10 minutes in.
You want to sit down right here for a little? Or you want to sit down like up there?
I'll see.
Yeah, let me know. If you're tired, you're tired. We can take a break. But
Gosh, if one of these rocks like
they might. Be careful. You almost gotta like, before you put all your weight on it, you gotta like feel for it and watch the cactuses. God, they're fucking firing on us over there.
What the fuck is that? Is it recording me?